Ludigi. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own city.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. I'm actually based in Abuja, Nigeria. Like 9 or 8 months ago, I actually uploaded a video on how to achieve a coily hair, but this particular one is the rollers we use is actually different from that other one. So if you want to see me achieve this look, it's a makeup and a hair tutorial. If you want to see me achieve this look, please continue to watch this video to the end. And if you are not a subscriber, like you haven't subscribed, uncle, auntie, sis, bros, I don't know what you're waiting for. You keep watching my videos and you don't want to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button either below or above, depending on what you are watching with. Enjoying the family and you guys, all your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video from me. Share this video to friends and family. Leave a comment and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's jump right into the video. Bye. For this hair, we use 2 packs of Expression Color 35, and because I have big skull, I don't usually do like full braided hair because it doesn't really fit me. So what I usually do is when they are making my hair, I ask the stylist to just make the back, to part the back big and then the front small so that it won't be really noticed. For this style, they won't braid to the tips because that's where they are going to coil. They'll just braid to half of the hair and then leave the remaining parts for coiling. Because the attachments, the expression into 3, then pick the tips, comb the attachment and then apply cream so it will be very smooth while braiding.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
After box braiding, we'll use the rollers to coil the tips of the hair. This rollers is kind of different from the other one we used in the other video. This one is spacious, but it almost gives the same result. And if you have not seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. Coiling the hair is the same method we used in the other video. The only difference is the rollers. And these particular rollers actually have like a hook that will help secure the braids while inside the hot water. For coiling, take about 2 to 3 box braids and coil the tips to the rollers like same in the other video, and then use the small hook to help secure it. While wrapping the hair to the rollers, just take about 2 to 3 box braids like I said before and twist it around the rollers very carefully so that the coils will come out perfect, and she did it to all the braids. putting the hair in the hot water, you will need like 2 towels, one for the clients and the other will help squeeze out the hot water from the braids. Putting it in the hot water, she took about 5 to 6 twisted rollers and then put it in the bowl, use the kettle to pour out the hot water. Doing it like so will give you a very good result, a perfect coil. After putting it in the hot water, we'll allow to cool and then spray with gel spray and then unwrap it. We use hands to open the wraps, and so that's it for the hair. It's time for the makeup.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.